Hello MBA students of IGNOU. Are you feeling stressed about your synopsis or project submission? Do you want to be 100% sure that your work will get approved without rejection? Then Gyan is here for you. We are proud to say that we provide the best quality guidance and support for IGNOU MBA synopsis and project preparation with a 100% approval guarantee. At Gyan, we understand that your MBA degree is a big milestone in your career. That is why our expert team prepares your synopsis and project strictly according to IGNOU guidelines, so there are no chances of rejection or delay. We not only write your work but also guide you step by step, making sure you are fully confident about your submission. Many MBA students across India have already taken our help, and they all received approval in the very first attempt. Their trust is our strength. As per the latest schedule, the last date for synopsis submission is September 30th and the last date for project submission is October 31st. If you miss these dates, you will have to wait for the next session, lose 6 months, and your MBA degree will be delayed. Do not let that happen. Submit your synopsis and project on time with our help. For best quality, complete guidance, and 100% approval, contact Gyan today. Call or WhatsApp at 9699784305 or visit IGNOU.com. If you face any issue, you can message us anytime. Gyan is your trusted partner for IGNOU MBA success.